siguro sila hindi rin nila ini-expect talaga. Anyway, simulan natin yung gusto naming malaman, ikaw ba Daniel, nung nag-start ka sa sex bomb, ano to, was it something you chased or parang binigay lang talaga sa'yo ng pagkakataon?
I think pagkakataon po kasi I was third year high school. I was a third year high school student that time. And then, kasi I'm a singer po. And then,
Malapit ng may
yung daddy ko, lagi po niya akong sinasali sa mga contest.
Mhm.
So, sabi niya,
Singing.
yes, singing contest. And then, that was Friday, I remember pa. Sabi niya, tara, sali tayo sa contest, sa Eat Bulaga. Yeah, it's sa Eat Bulaga po. And then, sabi ko, ba't may wake kami today? Ganyan. So, but then, of course, napilit ako. Tapos, pagdating ko doon, nakapila ako sa Broadway Centrum. Tapos, nakita ko ni Ate Joy. Ate Joy was sitting right in front of me. And then, nandun pa yung sex bomb noon sila. Ate